Ready to unlock the filmmaking potential of your Nikon Z50. First, set your mode dial to video mode. It looks like a camera with a film strip, so you are ready to go. Now, let's dive into settings. Tap the I button for quick access to essential video settings. Resolution is key. 1080p is great for general use, but 4K delivers stunning detail if your computer can handle it. Frame rate determines the smoothness of your footage. 4 fps gives a cinematic look, 30 fps is standard, and 60 fps is perfect for slow motion in post-production. Next, focus. Autofocus is your friend, but manual focus allows creative control. Experiment to see what works best for your style. Sound matters, too. The built-in mic is okay, but an external microphone will significantly improve your audio quality, so it is worth the investment. Image stabilization helps reduce camera shake. Turn it on for smoother handheld shots. Time to record. Press the red record button to start and stop recording. Remember the rule of thirds for compelling compositions, and experiment with different angles and movement to keep your videos engaging. Once you have your footage, editing software will bring everything together, offering a wide range of controls that will take your video to the next level. With these tips, you are well on your way to creating professional videos with your Nikon Z50, so get out there and start filming.